I spoke to you about what is a candle and how it's used to determine a breakout or fakeout in the last video. I'm going to speak to you about how much above or below a trend line a candle should be close to justify the breakout, because this was a question in the last video and I told you that I would demonstrate this in the next. So here we are at the very same time frame, same currency pair and same channel. So we need to draw a perfect trend line or perfect channel before we talk about breakout or fake out. So if you look at this channel on daily time frame, I'm talking about this one, this channel. Before price development from here to right side, this line was a trend line, downtrend line, joining these points, which now has become the lower line of the channel. It shows that the price has been moving in the at the very same slant, which is really harmonic, and that makes these two lines even more perfect. All right, so we now have a channel, we have the range, and we are going to talk about the breakout and fake out. If you look at this movement, a candle started right from the line, the upper line of the channel, and closed above the upper line. So it is a breakout. However, it is not a good breakout, and it has to be avoided. And the reason behind this is the size of this candle, which is less than the average size of the candle on this daily time frame. I have used average true range indicator to calculate the average size of candle. So if you simply go to insert here in the upper left corner, look, this is the insert. So insert indicators, oscillator, and then you can plot average true range. I have used 22 period because I'm taking almost all working days in a month for the average calculation. So there are approximately 21 point something working days in a month. This calculates in form of 4 digits. So this 0072 is actually 72 pips, or you can say 720 points. This candle is smaller than that, which is why you can simply ignore such kind of breakout. If you look at breakout here of this trend line to the upside, because uh, before this time, this was the trend line, which was broken by this candle, which started here and closed here. And over total size of this candle was 105.4 pips, which I already measured using the crosshair. Crosshair is this one. This tool is called crosshair. You can measure the size. Click here and drag and drop from one to another point anywhere on the chart to measure the pips. So middle is the pips, and if you take it to the left or right, it will show you the number of candles, and wherever you finally drag it to the then it will show you the price. So from here to here I have drawn this because that was the range I was trying to calculate. All right, so one thing is this, and then there is another question. If you look at this one, this is also a price range, some sort of triangle or something is being formed. And if we have to figure out the breakout of this, can we use the same average candle size? Can we say that we need a candle of more than 72 pips to justify the breakout of this or this trend line? Of course not, because this range is hardly 120 pips. So if we will wait for a candle of more than 72 pips, and then if we will make a trading decision, it will already be too late. So we need our average to be less than one third of the range. So if max range is 120 pips, if it was rectangular, then it would be 120 pips. It's triangular. However, we will look at the this part. So 120 by 3 is 40 pips. So our range, our average size of candles should not be more than 40 pips. But here, average is 72 pips, which is greater than the one third. So this is not the correct time frame to analyze the breakout of this range. So we should go to a lower time frame in this case. So what we can do, we can simply go to 4-hour time frame. Then there will be more number of candles inside this range, and there we will calculate the average size of the candle, and there we will figure out how to um, justify a breakout in that range. Sometimes ranges are traded inside, so I will also discuss how to trade the range in case of the price not breaking out and moving inside. And I will also let you understand how to figure out the breakout by going to a lower time frame. So I will do this on a 4-hour time frame at the very same currency pair. And uh, so that's it. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.